Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to be replacing the upper O2 sensor. And here's the part number. So all you're going to need is an O2 sensor, a 22 mil O2 sensor socket. So we're going to take this out. So it already has the NRCs already applied to it. So I'm going to set y'all right here. And we're going to slide this over the socket. Trying to reach around the camera too. I thought I put it backwards, yeah. There you go. And then we get the socket through here. I might have to move the camera because it's literally in my way. So I'm gonna break it loose. Yep. Near the camera, it's gonna be in my way. Alright, so I got it loose. I'm gonna take out the socket. I don't care if I damage the wire because it's already done anyway. And then the connector is right here. Let me switch hands. So this is the fuel line. Then it's right here. Push down. I'm gonna need two hands. Hold on. Let me see if I can put y'all somewhere. Alright. Push down. Alright, so I gotta disconnect it. So you see right there? And then you wanna slide this through the little rivet, well, whatever that's called. It's attached on two sides. So here's the furthest one. Slide it off of that too. Alright. So you can tell what 223,000 miles look like on the O2 sensor compared to a new one. So now what we're gonna do, take this off. What we're gonna do, feed it through. So now we're just gonna repeat the same thing, but we're gonna be doing it in reverse. Let me turn the light on. I'm sorry guys, trying to reach around the camera to where y'all can see and where I can sit there and work too. Alright, so it's tight. And then get the cord, and we're just gonna push it in between these things right here. So let's do the first one. I gotta feed it through the second one. And then connect it. This is where I'm gonna need two hands again, so let me see if I can set y'all right here. I slid this off too. Hold on. Alright. Connect it. And you'll hear a click to let you know that it's connected. And that's how you replace your upper O2 sensor, your air fuel ratio sensor. So that's it. See you on the next one. Peace.